Welcome to the town of Mosbach, situated on the southern foothills of the Odenwald and is the cultural and economic center of the Neckar-Odenwald region, a town that promises relaxation and enjoyment. The regional center of Mosbach features a picturesque old town with a Mediterranean flair, a wide variety of independent businesses and cafes, and a stunning natural setting. Everything is at a convenient distance, and you can enjoy all the town's treasures and highlights on foot. Whether you want sightseeing or a gentle stroll through the town, Mosbach has plenty to offer, such as a chance to slow down and a genuine sense of well-being in an authentic atmosphere. Must-see destinations include the Town Hall and the Palm House, which is the largest and most magnificent half-timbered house in the town. The main street in the historic old town is a unique parade of half-timbered houses. Pointed and wide gables, centuries-old wooden constructions in shades of gray, black, and red form a close backdrop. The market square is dominated by the imposing Town Hall Tower. The half-timbered buildings within the fortified town stands for old German civic spirit and coziness. Thus, the historical old town offers the viewer an unmistakable picture of artistically exposed facade splendor. Mosbach is also known for its adventure markets, which take place all year round. The themes here range from flowers, herbs, bread, and antiques to pumpkins. During this visit, the town residents are very busy selling variety of local produce. Everyone in all age groups are welcome and can enjoy the activity. The town has been coined by Matthias Marian as a fine, well-built city about 400 years ago, and I can tell that this impression still lasts until today. The ambience of the town still continues to allure the eyes of every visitor by its impressive and unique colorful half-timbered houses. In the pedestrian zone, restaurants and cafes as well as small, often still-owned managed shop invite you to visit. And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, tschüss!